pride of ownership shines throughout this custom-built 6-bedroom, 3.5-bath home in the Maple Knoll Subdivision. The main level features a stunning floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, a 17-foot ceiling, and pre-wired surround sound in the living room. A separate laundry room and half-bath are located off of the 3-car garage. The owner suite is complete with a lighted tray ceiling, walk-in closet, and full ensuite bath. The gorgeous eating kitchen boasts corian countertops, custom cabinets with soft-close doors, walk-in pantry, tons of cabinet space, and ceramic tile. The upper level houses the remaining 5 bedrooms, 2 of them boasting walk-in closets, and 2 full baths. This home has many recent updates and noteworthy features that you'll have to see for yourself. Take a seat at the back patio overlooking the large backyard and picture yourself enjoying a cup of coffee here in the mornings. The amazing home won't last long, so call Candace Everidge while you can.